Joining us today from IBC Bank, we have Ms. Virginia Laque, Vice President of Credit Administration, and from our Eagle Pass Independent School District, Mr. Gilberto Gonzalez. Thank you for joining us. Now a few words from our Superintendent, Mr. Gilberto Gonzalez.
Well, good morning to all. This is our last Scholar of the Month for this school year. It's been a great experience. We've had some great students. But nevertheless, today we are here to recognize two outstanding first grade students. First of all, from Seco Mines Elementary, we have Valeria. Valeria wishes to be a teacher when she grows up, and I know she's going to be an awesome teacher. We also have Alejandra Reyes from Rosita Valley Elementary. I was really impressed with her essay, the way she writes. She says she wants to be a role model, and I know she will be a role model. We're very excited to have both of these students with us. As always, we're very pleased to partner with IBC Bank and KPS Tejanel for this wonderful event.
Thank you, Mr. Gonzalez. IBC Bank, Eagle Pass Independent School District, and KINL and KPS Radio would like to recognize Valeria Angeles, first grader, Seco Mines Elementary, her parents, Maria and Sergio Angeles, and her teacher, Jessica Garza. We have Alejandra Reyes, first grader, Rosita Valley Elementary, her parent, Mili Garza, and her teacher, Mrs. Davis. Now we have a word from our scholars. Valeria Angeles.
Hello, my name is Valeria Angeles. I am the proud Scholar of the Month for Seco Mines Elementary. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher. Thank you.
Thank you, Valeria. Now we have Alejandra Reyes.
Hello, my name is Alexandra Reyes Garza. I am the proud Scholar of the Month for Rosita Valley Elementary. When I grow up, I want to be a coach. Thank you.
Thank you, Alejandra. Now we have a few words from their teachers, Mrs. Jessica Garza for Valeria Angeles.
Thank you so much for this opportunity. It's an honor and a blessing to have Valeria in my class. This is my first year in first grade since I've been teaching third grade for 10 years. And it's been a blessing. She's an honor roll student. She excels academically in everything she does. She's always striving to do her best in everything she does, and it's been such a blessing to have her in my class. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ms. Garza. Now we have a few words from Ms. Telles, Alejandra's teacher.
I am very honored to be Alexandra's teacher. She's a very bright student. Alexandra is always very helpful and very respectful. I'm happy to have the opportunity to be her teacher and for her parents to give me this opportunity to be part of her education. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Telles. Now we have the presentation of the medals.
Valeria? Congratulations, young lady. And Alejandra, Alexandra. Congratulations. Wish you well.
Thank you, Mr. Gonzalez. Now from IBC Bank, we have Mrs. Virginia Laque with the presentation of the certificates.
IBC is, as always, very glad to participate in this program. And the first certificate is for Valeria Angeles. Congratulations. Keep up the good work. The second certificate for another bright student is for Alejandra Reyes. Congratulations. Keep up the good work.
Thank you. Now with this we will conclude. We want to congratulate, of course, the parents and the teachers and the students for participating in Scholar of the Month. And we want you to join us again for our next program. Thank you.